everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of compressing a video without losing quality. Compression helps reduce the file size of a video while maintaining its visual and audio quality. Let's get started! First, open your browsing app and search for Handbrake tool and hit enter. Make sure to go to their official website named handbrake.fr. On the Handbrake homepage, you can see here Download Handbrake. Click on it to download the software. Now launch the installer. Click Next until you are in the Install Location section. Select where you want to install the app and hit Install. Once the process is done, click Finish. After that, open the app. In the Handbrake app, you can either open up a folder with videos or just open a file according to your own preference. In this tutorial, I will open a single video file. After opening it, you will be taken to your file manager. Select the video that you want to compress. I recommend the default preset here. The quality is incredible. Now click on Web Optimized. This option will optimize the video for the web. Click Video. On the video section, click Constant Frame Rate. After that, you can rename your file on the bottom of the app. Just click it. I will rename it to avoid confusion. Once done, click on Start Encode. Now we wait it to finish. Note, you can change the settings in the app according to your own preference. Congratulations! You have successfully compressed a video without losing quality using Handbrake. Remember, while compression helps reduce the file, it's essential to strike a balance between size and maintaining a satisfactory level of video quality. Feel free to explore different settings and experiment with other video compression tools to find the best results for your specific needs. Thank you for watching!